I just spent 8 hours researching legitimate data entry jobs that pay $20 to $28 per hour, require zero experience and no phone calls at all. At the end of this video, you will have 5 real companies hiring right now, plus exactly how to apply. 2 of these companies hire within 48 hours and 1 accepts international applicants from Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Ghana, and more. Stick with me. I'm breaking down the pay, the requirement, the application process, and how to actually get hired. Just a quick disclaimer, guys, this video is just for educational purposes only. Make sure to do your own personal research before applying to any job out there. If you're new here, I'm Dee, and I help people find legitimate remote work opportunities. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I post 3 job opportunities every week. Let me know in the comments which job you're applying for first. Alright, let's start with the highest paying role. Job number 1 is US Bank. US Bank is hiring remote data entry specialists at $20 to $25 per hour. US Bank is a major financial institution with over 70,000 employees, and data entry is one of their core remote roles. Your responsibilities include enter customer information, process transactions, maintain database accuracy. Requirement: you need basic computer skills, typing speed of 35 words per minute, attention to detail, ability to work independently, no degree, no banking experience, no customer calls. Benefits include health insurance after 60 days, 3 weeks of paid training, and company-provided equipment. To apply, go to careers.usbank.com. Search remote data entry and filter by work from home. In your application, highlight independence, attention to detail, and interest in remote work flexibility. Apply quickly. These postings fill fast. Now, job number 2 is Health Plan of San Mateo. Health Plan of San Mateo is hiring healthcare data entry specialists at $21.30 to $26.95 per hour. Healthcare data entry pays more because you work with medical records and insurance data, but they train you fully. No healthcare background required. Your daily tasks include enter patient demographics, process insurance verification, update records in their secure portal. For requirements, you need high school diploma, typing speed of 40 words per minute, basic Excel. No prior healthcare experience needed. Training is 4 weeks, fully paid, with self-paced modules and virtual sessions. They offer health, dental, vision from day one, a $400K match, 15 days PTO, and a $50 monthly internet stipend. So you can apply at hpsm.org/careers. Search data entry and select the remote role. Include your typing speed and mention confidentiality and attention to detail. Applications close December 20th with interviews starting soon. And for job number 3, we have Innovative Resource Management. Innovative Resource Management is hiring remote data entry specialists at $23.07 to $27.79 per hour. They accept international applicants including Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Ghana, and the Philippines. This role involves entering sales data, processing invoices, updating customer database requirements, reliable internet, 10 Mbps minimum, Windows 10 or newer version, typing speed of 45 words per minute, at least 20 hours per week, no phone calls, no meetings unless optional. Training is 2 weeks, paid at $18 per hour. You choose your own schedule. Payment is via PayPal or Payoneer every 2 weeks. And this is what makes it perfect for those in Africa. So, to find their job listings, you can go to websites like Indeed, Total Jobs, and JobSite. They list roles like risk managers, compliance officers, and IT security specialists. Be sure to complete the short skills assessment because accuracy matters more than speed. Mention experience with tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com if you have it. Moving on to job number 4, we have Xerox. Xerox is hiring remote data entry operators at $18 to $22 per hour. This is a stable, long-term work from home position with full benefits. Responsibilities include process documents for large corporations, enter data into internal systems, perform quality checks. For requirements, you need high school diploma, typing speed of 50 words per minute, basic computer literacy, ability to pass a background check. This role has no customer interaction at all. Schedules include morning, afternoon, and night shifts. Night shift pays an extra $2 per hour. Training is 3 weeks, fully paid, and you have opportunity for career progression. Senior data entry, $22 to $28 per hour. Quality assurance training or team lead, $30 to $35 per hour. So you can apply at xerox.com/careers. Search remote data entry and filter by United States remote. Use keywords accuracy, deadline driven, independent workers, quality focused, process oriented. Job number 5 is SigTrack. SigTrack pays about $18 to $22 per hour and is the easiest job to start. They hire continuously and have no interview process. Even if they are not hiring right now, just keep an eye on their page. Your work includes entering petition signatures from scanned images. If handwriting is unclear, you mark it as illegible. Accuracy matters more than speed. Requirements: laptop or computer, internet connection, typing speed of 30 words per minute, 10 hours per week minimum. You can start immediately after completing a short tutorial and 20 entry practice test. Payment is weekly via PayPal or direct deposit depending on your location. You can work anytime, 247 availability. Peak seasons are during election month, whereas increase significantly. Apply at sigtrack.com, select become a transcriber and complete the tutorial. Like I mentioned, if they are not hiring right now, keep an eye on their page because they are always hiring. For the highest pay and the international applicants, IRM. For long-term stability and career growth, Xerox. For immediate start, SigTrack. For healthcare opportunities with higher pay, Health Plan of San Mateo. For strong benefits and major brand, US Bank. Apply to all 5. They are free and quick. Some of them are closing soon, while some are already closed. 3 final tips to get hired. Apply Tuesday through Thursday during business hours. Follow up after 5 business days. Use a professional email address. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out my playlist, Quiet Night Jobs, Hiring Now. Comment with job you're applying to. I read every comment. You've got this. These companies are hiring, while some are not. Do submit your applications. I'll see you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.